Introducing the 2010 Chevrolet Avalanche. Find everything you want in a ride under one roof with this vehicle. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its 6-speed automatic transmission. Reach your destination effortlessly with GPS navigation. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. Treat yourself to a premium sound system. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Heated seats are a desirable comfort feature. Enjoy the flexibility of multi-zone temperature controls. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.